Welcome to the Stellar Labs dashboard. So let's jump straight into creating a new learning journey. First of all, you've got two options. You can either start from scratch or you can use the AI journey creation. We're going to use the AI journey creation because that's going to save you a lot of time and help pin down clear learning objectives, as well as structuring the journey around an evidence-based framework. So first of all, it's going to ask us, what is our journey about? I'm going to pick leadership training. Of course, you can type anything in here. It's going to be for new managers in the software industry. So we're using ChatGTP with some smart prompts based on the neuroscience of learning to generate suggested behavioural outcomes for your journey. You can share these objectives with your stakeholders to ensure you're aligned on the desired outcomes and skip the frustrating lack of clarity and back and forth that we so often hear about. Of course, you can always edit and add new objectives if you need to. As mentioned before, your journey will be structured using our evidence-based methodology, the GEAR framework. So using the GEAR model will take your journey beyond content sharing and help your learners practice, apply, and retain new skills in the workplace. Let's create the journey. Once your journey's been created by the AI, you'll have a clear structure following our GEAR framework with draft content that you can edit. You've got a learning journey that will drive behaviour change and performance improvement in your organisation. You've generated the structure and draft in minutes, and you can ready to launch either via SCORM or via our platform in a matter of days. Talk to us to set up your free trial and have a go at creating your own journey. We look forward to speaking soon.
If you choose to deliver your training through Stellar Labs, your learners will benefit from a platform that's optimized for learning transfer. This isn't just about content. This is about ramping up your learners to be able to apply the skills in the job, to be able to perform and to really upskill. So how do we do this? Learners, when they come into the platform and are assigned to a journey, they will see the overview. It will give them some key insights, who their mentor is, which the learner can set themselves or can be set by the organization. They will also get an overview of the journey and key behaviors that you want them to be able to do at the end of this journey. Right, let's explore this journey. This journey has been created by a designer in my organization with the assistance of our AI and using the GEAR methodology. You can already see here elements of GEAR. We have guiding steps where there's knowledge being presented to me that might be useful for me to be able to demonstrate that behavior. We have ways that I can start applying this in my job with the use of work-based actions. And we also have spaced repetition questions built into my journey to help me retain that key knowledge. We also have an introductory module here. This will help me understand the methodology and also get to know my fellow learners and start discussions with them. So let's have a look at a GEAR module. First, we have the guiding knowledge. And as you can see, the designer in my organization has made some really engaging training with the help of our AI assistant. We have images, knowledge, videos embedded, and even Miro boards. If I have any problems along the way, I can always jump into the discussion board where I can communicate with my fellow learners or even speak to the designers and subject matter experts who are assigned to the course. I can see that this journey's been designed with work-based actions. Work-based actions help me, as the learner, understand how I might apply the knowledge in my job. This work-based action is also editable, so I can make sure it's applicable to my role. I also can commit to a date, let's say, do this by next week, and save this. My mentor will be notified. The mentor is typically the person who's responsible for my learning, so it's very likely that's my manager. For this particular action, once it's saved, I can track it in my Actions tab. As you know, managers and mentors are busy people, so having the context of the action really helps with communication when talking about it. If I want to discuss this action with my mentor, it's as simple as using this thread. If I've completed it, I can mark it as complete, and I'll get a survey that's been designed by the designer to help me reflect on this action. The learner is asked how long they have spent on this action. This will help my organization determine how much of my time has been spent me trying to demonstrate the behaviors. This can be used to help quantify the return on investment of this training. Thanks for watching this short demo about Stellar Labs, our cutting-edge upskilling platform which focuses on learning transfer and uses generative AI to revolutionize workplace learning. Our platform enables organizations to design bespoke upskilling programs in minutes, significantly reducing development time and costs. This ensures optimal learning transfer and skills validation, and when combined with our proven neuroscience methodology, already validated in 14 industries, and demonstrating measurable results and return on investment for learners and organizations. Thanks again.